What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to compress videos on your PC without losing quality. Video files can take up a lot of space, making it difficult to store, share, or upload them online. Using the right compression tool, you can significantly reduce the file size while keeping the quality intact. In this tutorial, we'll be using Handbrake, a free and powerful video compression tool. Open up your browser and search for Handbrake tool. On the search results, make sure to visit the official website handbrake.fr. On the homepage, click Download Handbrake at the top. The installer file should be around 20 MB, so it should download quickly. Once downloaded, open up your File Explorer. Navigate to the Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. Follow along the steps to download Handbrake. Once installed, open Handbrake by searching for it in your Start menu. When it opens, you will see an option to import a video. If you want to compress a single video, click File and then select your video from your computer. If you want to compress multiple videos, choose Folder and import all the files at once. Once you select a video, Handbrake will scan it and load the details. To get the best balance between file size and quality, follow these settings. At the top, you will see the Presets drop-down menu. Select Fast 1080p 30 if your video is in Full HD, or choose a preset that matches your video resolution. Ensure the output format is set to MP4. This is widely supported and maintains good compression. In the Video tab, set your video encoder to H.264, as this offers the best balance for quality and compression. Click on Frame Rate and select Same as Source to keep the original frame rate. Make sure constant frame rate is enabled and set a slider between 20 and 23 for high quality. Next, scroll down to Save As and click Browse. Select a destination for your compressed file, such as the desktop, and name the file accordingly. Now, click Start Encode at the top. Handbrake will begin compressing the video, and you will see a progress bar showing the percentage completed. Once the encoding process is complete, Handbrake will display Queue Finished at the bottom. Now, navigate to the folder where you saved the compressed video. Compare the original compressed files. The compressed video file size should be significantly smaller, often by 4 to 5 times. Play both videos and compare the quality. In most cases, there's little to no visible difference. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.